worth going to prison over, potentially. I keep an open mind, but you have a choice. Either you can watch.
Let's roll, nerds.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Judge.
State, are you pleading on the, proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor. State's proceeding on both counts. Yes, Your Honor. Just different body parts.
Okay. Mr. Ayala, I'm showing you what's entitled Court's Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonition. Reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty of count 1 and count 2. Court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge, we'll waive the PSI. We did want to speak to the recommendations outside the plea agreement and no contact.
Yes.
So Mr. Ayala lives with his great-grandmother. The victim, his sister, lives with her mom and dad, according to their divorce decree. He's got, so when I can understand having no contact with the victim, but as far as or family members that are with the victim, but to say you can't see any family, because he has the same family as the victim. And
All right,
so,
State. I'm being told that he lives with the grandmother.
And I guess we're asking the court is to carefully tailor a no contact that prevents him from contacting the victim, the complainant victim. As well, we've spoken to the mother of the victim, her concerns are him having contact with the other minor children.
Okay.
So this is a highlight to the concerns, but also ensuring that he doesn't have some family member contacting a family member in order to basically contact the victim through that third person. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
But with regards to him living with his great grandmother, we understand that so long as there's no other minor children, then that should not be a problem.
Okay. All right. How old are you?
20 years old.
So what are you doing with your life?
Right now, I'm living with my great-grandmother.
he's on house arrest. He spent about 5 or 6 months in jail after he was arrested, and then bond was lowered, and he was placed under house arrest.
All right. You're going to have to get employment. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. State, what do you want to do about this GPS?
I believe he's been compliant with the GPS, Judge, so we'll defer to the court. We have no objection to the court for this GPS.
All right. Any drug issues with you? All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court will run, and I'm assuming, and if I'm incorrect, let me know. I'm assuming counts 1 and count 2 are to run concurrent. Is that correct?
I think by law they have to.
Yes, but it's not there. So I just wanted to be clear on the record.
Yes, Judge.
So count 1 and count 2 are running concurrently. Court's going to grant you the 10 years deferred adjudication. There's to be proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be no contact with the complainant. There's to be no contact with minors. There should be Chapter 62 registration through probation, regular UAs. And all right, I'm showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certificate, and did you sign it?
Many months later.
Ready, Your Honor.
All right, and are you John Anthony Ayala?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same John Anthony Ayala who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 6548 for the on January 17th, 2023 for a period of 10 years. Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Your Honor, violated condition number 3, on or about the 22nd day of February, 2024, in Bear County, Texas, the defendant, John Anthony Ayala, did then and there fail to obtain and keep gainful employment in a lawful occupation as directed by the court and/or supervision officer in violation of condition number 22.
All right, is this on the amended?
Well, I think it may have been a cross-reference, Your Honor, but it should just be a violation of condition number 3, given that it was an employment-based.
All right, any objection to the state adding that it's not a violation of condition number 22, but a violation of condition number 3, counsel?
No.
All right, so how do you plead to a violation of condition number 3?
True.
All right, state,
And Your Honor, the state will waive and abandon the other.
any objections?
No, we don't.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 3, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number? Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and what is the proposed agreement?
No, we agreed that my client would go to state ISF for 90 days, Your Honor, then return to the SOMU upon release. GPS for 1 year through Bear County Jail work release, paid fee, no internet accessible devices for duration of probation. No internet accessible devices for duration of probation. Require a haven for hope if homeless and zero tolerance. He's not homeless. His mother has a place for him.
All right, so can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
John Anthony Ayala.
All right, why do you not have employment?
I had tried applying to different places, but I either got the runaround or they just never contacted me back. And his mom is present with proof of 2 places that he did apply, Your Honor.
All right. So we want ISF. What is probation's recommendation?
That is a recommendation.
John Anthony Ayala?
Yep.
All right, so he's pled true to not having employment. How is ISF going to help things, or are we doing ISF because there are other things in the motion that are not being addressed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, any objection to the court reading the court summary?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. After reading the court summary, my question is, why shouldn't he be revoked and go to prison? Because obviously he doesn't want to follow the rules.
Well, his information to me, Your Honor, is that as far as having other devices, said he didn't have them. His mom is here to say that he had a flip phone that was then not internet accessible, Your Honor.
Well, I mean, obviously, if they're saying that there's history of what he should not be viewing, whether it's a flip phone or not. I never had a flip phone, but obviously it's showing a history. Are we saying it's not showing a history?
We're not pleading to it.
Or is he saying are you saying his mom was in possession of? So I don't understand why should you remain on probation? It appears as though you don't want to be on probation. I see what they're asking for and what their recommendation is for, but I just don't understand why you should continue to be on probation. So, do you wish to go to prison?
No, no.
It appears that you do, though, by your actions.
Since being locked up, it's been a real wake-up experience for him, Your Honor. He's not been in those situations before.
I mean, he's looking at 20 years in prison.
Emphasize that to him, and yes, he
I think that should be a wake-up call.
understands where he's put himself, Your Honor.
Is worth 20 years of your life, potentially.
No.
It seems that you think maybe it is because they're saying they admonish you on February 7th, 2023. And then they admonished you again on April 25th, 2023.
I could only think of one time when they.
No, they said that they admonished you on February 7th and April 25th. So your question becomes, is worth going to prison over? Potentially. I keep an open mind, but
No,
you have a choice. Either you can potentially go to prison or either you can not watch pornography. Do you understand?
yes, ma'am.
So potentially go to prison or not watch it.
Not watch it, ma'am.
All right, probation, this is what you all are asking for? And state, this is what your agreement with?
I think the like lack of clear details with respect to the state was okay and amenable to going through this and making it a last leg, what would otherwise be a very long journey for this individual.
All right, he's joined ISF Cognitive. Then he is to return. There's to be GPS until further notice. And that'll be partial for work only. Waive fees. That's what they put in the probation recommendation. And you're not to have any access to the internet. Or internet devices. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court?
No, ma'am.
All right. You better do better.
Yes, ma'am. I plan to. I have plans to reapply to different places where I was denied or never contacted again from the same constant contact with.
Okay. Thank you.
That's all, folks.